Our planet faces a crisis. Mountains of plastic waste choke our landfills and pollute our oceans. Single-use plastic bottles are a major culprit. But what if we could quench our thirst with a sustainable alternative? Hemp, a versatile and ancient plant, offers a promising solution. Hemp-based water bottles provide a refreshing alternative to their petroleum-based counterparts. They are made from renewable resources and are entirely biodegradable. This means they break down naturally, leaving no harmful microplastics behind. Choosing hemp-based bottles is a simple yet powerful act. It's a step towards reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. It's a vote for a healthier planet for generations to come. Hemp fibers are nature's building blocks, strong and versatile. They are composed of three primary components: cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Cellulose, a long-chain polymer, provides tensile strength, much like the steel rods in reinforced concrete. Hemicellulose acts as a binding agent, holding the cellulose fibers together. It adds flexibility and resilience to the overall structure. Lignin, the toughest of the trio, provides rigidity and resistance to degradation. This unique composition makes hemp fibers incredibly strong and durable. These characteristics make them ideal for a wide range of applications, including textiles, construction materials, and importantly, bioplastics. The journey from hemp plant to bioplastic bottle is a fascinating one. It begins with the extraction of cellulose from hemp fibers. This cellulose serves as the building block for creating a bioplastic known as PLA, or polylactic acid. PLA is a biodegradable and compostable plastic. It is made from renewable resources like cornstarch or sugarcane. When combined with hemp cellulose, it creates a durable and eco-friendly material suitable for water bottles and other products. The production process is designed to minimize environmental impact. It uses less energy and water compared to traditional plastic manufacturing. This makes hemp-based bioplastics a truly sustainable alternative. Section 4. A sustainable sip. The environmental advantages of hemp bottles. Hemp-based water bottles offer a refreshing change from the environmental burden of conventional plastics. Unlike their petroleum-based counterparts, hemp bottles are fully biodegradable. They decompose naturally in a matter of months, leaving behind no harmful microplastics. Furthermore, hemp cultivation is inherently sustainable. Hemp plants require minimal water and no harmful pesticides. They actually enrich the soil, making it suitable for other crops. Choosing hemp-based bottles reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. It minimizes plastic waste and supports a circular economy. It's a conscious step towards a healthier planet. Section 5. Nepal, a hemp haven with global potential. Nestled in the Himalayas, Nepal boasts ideal conditions for hemp cultivation. The country's rich soil, abundant sunlight, and natural water sources create a perfect environment for hemp to thrive. Nepalese farmers have cultivated hemp for centuries, using it for textiles, food, and building materials. Nepal's hemp industry is poised for growth. The government recognizes hemp's potential as a sustainable cash crop. They are actively promoting its cultivation and processing. This presents a unique opportunity for Nepal to become a global leader in hemp production. By investing in its hemp industry, Nepal can create jobs, boost its economy, and promote sustainable practices. The global demand for hemp-based products is on the rise, and Nepal is well positioned to meet this growing demand. Section 6. The future is green, embracing hemp for a sustainable tomorrow. The future of our planet depends on our choices today. Choosing hemp-based products is a simple yet powerful step towards a more sustainable future. Hemp offers a viable alternative to resource-intensive materials like plastic and cotton. As consumers, we have the power to drive demand for eco-friendly products. By choosing hemp-based water bottles, clothing, and other goods, we send a clear message to industries. We demand sustainable alternatives. We demand change. The journey towards a sustainable future requires collective action. Let's choose hemp and be a part of the solution. Let's quench our thirst for change with every sip.